Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Flodesk account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers, and Flodesk is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, flodesk.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up the Flodesk website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an account, you're going to click on these black buttons, try it for free or sign up for free. Okay, from time to time, Flodesk does run a promotion. They're doing a 14-day free trial, as you can see right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the most recent promotion in there. Now, in order to sign up, you can go ahead and use your Google, or you can do what I do and enter your email and create a password. I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, once you enter in your email and your password, click on try it free. Okay, right after Flodesk sends you an email to activate your account. So let me go ahead and pull up that email and click on the link. Okay, after clicking on the link in my email, they're going to ask you to enter your email and password and click on sign in. Okay, next Flodesk is going to ask you a few questions about your business. You can choose to answer these questions, or you can do what I do and click on skip here on the top right. All right, quick second later, it brings me here to my Flodesk dashboard, so I can go ahead and start putting together various emails. I can create forms. I can create my link in bio. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Flodesk account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.